Hello guys, today I brought another videos for you. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom not working problem solved. So at first you have to check your data conditions. If it is not on, then please turn it on. After in this second steps, you have to go for Play Store and search for Zoom app. Zoom app. After getting this Zoom app, make sure that your app is updated. If it is not updated, then please update now. And after doing this, come to the setting. And after coming to setting, search for app management. So here I go. After coming to app management, tap to the app list and search for Zoom app. Zoom app. So after getting this Zoom app, you have to tap in this force stop. After tapping in this force stop, come to the storage uses and clear caches and clear data. After clearing these two, come to the permission storage. Make sure that your app should be yellow. And after doing this, come back to the setting once again. Coming in settings, type for software update. Make sure that your software update should be updated, totally updated. So guys, if it is not updated, please update now. So guys, even if it is not working, then please switch off your mobile and turn it once on. So thanks for watching this. Thank you guys.